Already, the first 5 seconds, he's almost yanked this guy, this poor patient who's in extreme pain, almost yanked him off the table. The patient is like 3 or 4 times the size of this chiropractor, doctor, or whatever he is. And you can see that wasn't good enough, so we got to bust out the hammer. Oh, I'm sorry. I just know what's coming in this first half of the video. So here we go. Here we go. This is so good. So good.
10 лет. Побольше. Ему побольше, наверное, да? Сейчас тащу. Падаю в обморок.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not laughing at the patient's pain. I'm not at all. But the doc just no consideration at all for the patient's pain, the state that he's in, or even giving him time to register the treatment, if you even want to call that treatment. But he's like, nope, I don't care if it feels good or not. We're just going to hammer along, and you're going to get as many of these as we can take.